Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making some chicken tacos. And I have some ground chicken, 1 pound of ground chicken. Also have some cheese, my taco sauce, refried beans. I have garlic powder, onion powder, garlic salt, Lowry seasoning. I have my McCormick taco seasoning. I also have some jalapeno peppers, some garlic. I have tomatoes and lettuce that I need to chop up. And I also have some nacho cheese flavored tacos. I have a half of a bell pepper, no, I'm sorry, a fourth of a bell pepper that I've chopped up, and I also have a half of an onion that I've chopped up. I am not going to put ingredients in the description. You see what I have here? So just follow me. Let's get to cooking. Okay, so we're going to turn our eye on. We're going to do like a medium high heat. Okay, so now that my meat is just about done, I'm gonna add my onions and bell pepper. And you don't have to worry about draining this because it didn't have any oils in it. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. So my seasoning can be adhesive too. Ground chicken. Just a drizzle.
This is dark, and so I got a wish.
You do have a whiz. Let me show them your whiz. Here. So this is like garlic powder that I added. So let me show y'all her whiz. See it, girl. Then I'm gonna add some onion powder.
I'm gonna add some onion powder too in my room.
You're gonna add some onion powder too. How about this have been open? Let's see. Brown salt and a little bit of this Lowry. telling y'all, if y'all follow me, you won't go wrong. Yeah, I thought it was burnt in. Y'all don't doubt me. Do not doubt me. Because I said what I said. Okay. So while it's continuing to cook, and you want the ground chicken to be cooked hard. And now we got the seasoning on there. Let's go for the top of the seasoning. We're gonna put a little water in there too. Packet of taco seasoning to it. Add all of it. I'll stir it around first. So now I'm going to add a couple of scoops of the refried beans to my mixture. I'm not even going to add half, probably like 3 large tablespoons. Let's do 4. Okay. And you can save the rest if you might be planning on having fajita night or something the next night. These beans. Let's get some water in there, that may help it. Help it to incorporate itself in the ground chicken. Okay, that's a little bit better to mash up. Y'all see it? Give me some taco meat. I think I'm gonna put a bit more water in there. I'd say I put maybe a half a cup of water in there. Because at first it's probably like a 4. But the water will cook down. Yeah, guess what else I'm gonna put in there? Come on, guess. Yeah, I'm gonna put some garlic in there, but that's not what I was talking about. put some cheese in there. Yes. Put a little cheese in there. And I'm also gonna hit it with a little accent. This was not on my table at first, but if you got some accent, you can put in there. If you don't, guess what? It's still gonna be good. You put what you want to in there because guess what? These are your tacos. These your tacos. These ain't mine. Have y'all ever tried sausage in your tacos? I haven't. But it does sound like it'll be good. My baby listens to this song. It's with toddlers on the toddler station. And they go, I want tacos. That's not how I go, but I want tacos. Let's see it. I want tacos. Something like that. I don't know. But anyway. And we're still gonna let it cook a little bit. I've turned it on a low high heat now. And I'll heat it with a little cheese. I'll put the rest of it on top of the taco. We're gonna put this in here. Just stir it up. Just stir it up. Y'all see it? Y'all see it, honey. Come on in. Come on in the room. Come on in the room. Come on. Alright, so this is just about done, honey. And y'all didn't know for a while. Y'all were over here. I was over there chopping up my tomatoes and my lettuce. So let's put this thing together. Okay, so we're gonna get our, this is my little tray of what we're gonna put on our tacos. I already cut onions and stuff and put it in here, so I ain't gonna add none to that. So we take a shell. Yeah, we take a shell, honey, and we're gonna scoop some of this good cheesiness over in this shape. And I lost a little bit, and yep, that's okay. That is a-okay. We're gonna put a little bit down up in there like so. And then you're gonna grab you some cheese. And the warmth is gonna still melt it, but remember, it already has cheese on the inside. Already has cheese on the inside. We'll put a little bit of jalapeno peppers. Jalapenos, baby. And this is not mine because I don't eat jalapenos. But you can put whatever you want in yours. Like I said again, is what? Is yours. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay? And so, put that there. Put a little bit of this lettuce. A little bit of this lettuce on her like that. And put a few miters right there on top. And then we're gonna put some more cheese on top. Why? Because it's mine. These are ours, honey. You you see it? Now you see it. And now you don't. Y'all have a good evening. I hope if you try it, I hope you love it because it is gonna be delicious. You guys have a good one. Until next time. As my baby say, we about to eat. Y'all, do you know I forgot to show y'all the where my head at? Look at this, honey. Woo. Woo. And then a taco is not a taco. Wait a minute.
Okay, so I will get all your
Y'all hear my baby?
And so.
And a dollop of daisy.
And so I was gonna sing You Say Can Lean on Me. Okay, so y'all get up praise.
Y'all hear my baby?
Woo! Y'all get up praise.
So that's my finished taco, y'all. I'm gonna hold it up there to y'all so y'all can see it. I want y'all to look at her.
Okay, so y'all put your hands together.
Y'all look at her. Ain't she pretty? Ooh. What we're gonna do, we're gonna mash that sour cream on down in it.
You
Spread it. Spread the love.
You can be free.
But anyway, for real, that's my finished product. And this is how it looks. And if you try it, again, like I said a while ago, I'm gonna say it again. I hope you enjoy it as well. Y'all have a good one.
Mama.